What if I told you this $300 machine could save you $3,000 this year? The most overlooked gadget in your home could quietly save you thousands of dollars every year? Or that in the time you've been watching this video, it's already cleaned your entire living room without you lifting a finger? Welcome to TFC, Tech and Finance Code. Today, we're diving deep into one of the smartest financial upgrades you can make in 2025. The robot vacuum cleaner. Not just a cleaning tool, but a time saver, money saver, and peace of mind generator. Let's start with what we're all familiar with. Traditional cleaning, manual vacuuming, sweeping, and mopping. Each week, you spend 2 to 3 hours just keeping floors presentable. Over the course of a year, that's 150 hours lost. If your time is worth just $20 an hour, that's $3,000 in unpaid labor. Now add in deep cleaning services, once or twice a month, and you're easily looking at $4,000 or more annually. But what if a small machine could do it better, faster, and eventually for free? Enter robot vacuums. Smart, silent, and surprisingly efficient. These aren't clunky machines from 2010. Today's robot vacuums map your home, avoid obstacles, empty themselves, and even respond to voice commands. The 3 standout models we'll explore today: iRobot Roomba, i7 Plus, Eufy RoboVac X8, and Shark iRobot Self-Empty XL. Each of them has the power to eliminate 90% of your floor cleaning routine automatically. Let's break down their capabilities. The iRobot Roomba i7 Plus is like the Tesla of robot vacuums. It features smart mapping, voice assistant compatibility, and automatic dirt disposal. It memorizes the layout of your home, allowing it to clean specific rooms on command. Want just the kitchen cleaned? Done. Its suction power is excellent, handling pet hair and fine dust with ease. Plus, the clean-based disposal system can hold 60 days worth of debris. Price? Around $599 to $799 depending on the model. Roomba is the premium option, offering a luxurious level of automation. Perfect if you want true set-it-and-forget-it functionality. Next, the Eufy RoboVac X8, the budget-conscious powerhouse. This model uses laser navigation, twin-turbine suction, and app control. It's ideal for apartments or medium-sized homes. What sets it apart? It's extremely quiet, thin enough to slide under most furniture, and has a strong battery life, up to 180 minutes. It doesn't have auto dirt disposal, but at $399 to $499, it's a smart value pick for someone looking to save time and money. If Roomba is the Tesla, Eufy is your high-performance Honda. And finally, the Shark iRobot Self-Empty XL, the all-rounder. It combines self-emptying tech like Roomba with laser-based mapping, Wi-Fi control, and self-cleaning brush rolls. It doesn't just clean, it maintains itself. You can schedule routines via Alexa or Google Assistant, and even use zones to target high-traffic areas. Price? Around $499 to $599, positioned right in the middle. For many homeowners, this is the sweet spot between premium features and cost efficiency. So how do these vacuums actually save money? First, no more regular deep cleaning. That's $150 per visit you'll never need to spend again. Second, they reduce long-term flooring wear by cleaning more frequently, preserving hardwood, tile, and carpet longevity. Third, if you work from home, you've just freed up 3 hours per week. That's productive time you can use to earn more. These vacuums pay for themselves within the first year, then continue saving you money silently every day. All right, let's simplify everything with a quick side-by-side comparison to help you choose the right robot for your home. First up, the price ranges. Roomba i7 Plus typically falls between $599 and $799. The Eufy RoboVac X8 lands around $399 to $499. And the Shark iRobot XL sits comfortably at $499 to $599. Now, let's talk features. Smart mapping? All 3 brands offer it. Voice control compatibility? Again, all 3 support Alexa or Google Assistant. Noise levels? Roomba and Shark are moderate, while Eufy is impressively quiet, ideal for apartments or nighttime cleaning. Roomba shines in large homes with pets and heavy traffic. Eufy is great for smaller spaces, quieter cleaning, and tight budgets. Shark iRobot, the all-rounder. Solid features, fair price, minimal fuss. So, which one is right for you? If you want top-tier automation and set-it-and-forget-it luxury, go with Roomba. If you prefer quiet efficiency and savings, Eufy delivers. And if you want balanced value without cutting corners, Shark IQ is your winner. Over time, they don't just clean. They save you thousands in time, labor, and deep cleaning costs. This is the future of home efficiency, and it's available right now. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments. For more deep dives into tech that actually saves or makes you money, hit that like button, subscribe to TFC, Tech and Finance Code, and tap the bell so you never miss a drop. This is Tech with Purpose, this is Finance with Vision, and this is TFC. See you in the next one.